Hi everyone. Right, day 13, garden. Now I was looking at that and thinking, do I go out in the garden? Do I pick something? What am I going to do? And in the end I thought, I did something on Procreate. Now I have made a tutorial of how I did this, so I'm not covering this in this video. It'll be in the next one because I have to edit that one tonight. Here is my first tomato in my garden, so I'm very proud of that. And what I did was an overlayer, and I've printed it out on tracing paper, so you'll be able to see how I made this in Procreate. So I thought I'd make a little pocket, maybe. Line this up so that's over there like that. What I might do is with a bit of glue stick, now I know tracing paper can sometimes buckle up a bit, but just to secure it, oh you can see it. And don't necessarily need to keep this on the back here. I can use this for something else. So just a bit of glue stick down the side to stick the bottom. I'm just thinking, I'm just going to make it a bit thinner by taking this side off the top. This should fit within the parameters of one of my pages quite easily. Now, even though I've put quite a bit of glue down the side, it's still leaving a decent sized pocket. I think I'm going to do just a little snippy. There we go, that's a little snippy. Now, it looks centered on here, but for the pocket, it's going to be sort of off center. I don't think that matters. Oh, day 13. All right, we're full. Can put it there, but I do want to start moving a bit more into the book. I'm just going to put glue stick over the entire back of this. There we are. So this is garden. I think I can't help myself. I've got to do just a little bit more, as you do. Actually, that's going to fit in there. Let's make this a tag. Just get it on a bit of backing paper so it's a bit more sturdy. Actually, I will use 2 bits of backing paper. These are just my glue book pages that have been glued on and used. I will actually tear them down. The only problem is if the glue's a bit wet, they might be a bit hard to tear. Oh no, Prove me wrong. Okay. That's good. This one is a hole punch that's the longer. I'm not sure. There is a name for it. I'm not sure what it is though. Okay, gotta let that dry a bit more. It's ready for a bit of ribbon or something, or just to leave it like that. And there you have it, garden day 13. Hope you enjoyed that and got something out of it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.